In this video, I'm going to show you the brand new Facebook monetization features that were just released that allow you to make money by uploading videos on Facebook. My name is Lester Diaz, and in this channel, we talk about making money online, affiliate marketing, social media marketing, and everything in between. So if you're new, consider subscribing. I'm pretty excited to share this video with you because Facebook just released Facebook ad breaks. This is their way of competing with YouTube. It allows you to upload videos on Facebook, insert ads, and you can make money as a publisher. There's not a lot of people all with access to Facebook ad breaks. You do have to meet some requirements, like you need to have at least 10,000 likes on your Facebook page. You also need 30,000 minutes of video watch time, and your videos need to be at least 3 minutes long. For me, I have a bunch of Facebook pages. I have news blogs. I have Facebook for small businesses. I've been using videos for a very long time on Facebook. But this is pretty exciting because I finally get to monetize the content that I'm uploading on Facebook. You'll be able to earn money from your videos on Facebook. So you'll be able to monetize your content twice. You can upload it on YouTube. You can make money via ads if you qualify, and you can also use Facebook to monetize your videos and make more money. But I'm going to show you exactly how to get qualified, exactly how much money you can make per video, and I'm going to show you what you need to do in order to qualify and actually start making money with videos. So let's jump right in. So what you're looking at is one of my Facebook pages, the amount of views that I've received for that specific Facebook page over the last 28 days. So you can see 2.8 million views, 3-second video views, and 252,000 people engaged. Now, these are numbers that are pretty difficult to get on YouTube. You do need a lot of subscribers on YouTube to get that many views. But the power of Facebook allows you to basically reach a lot of people because people share videos all the time on Facebook. In fact, I have used Facebook to grow multiple Facebook pages to over 100,000 likes in a matter of months. So being able to monetize your videos on Facebook is definitely a game changer. In order to know whether you qualify for video monetization on Facebook, first, you gotta have a Facebook page with over 10,000 likes. I'm gonna post the resources and links to everything that I'm gonna talk about in this video. That way you can follow along. This page, if you're logging into Facebook, it's gonna let you know whether you actually qualify for ad breaks. I have multiple Facebook pages, and right now I'm working on getting these two pages qualified. I have one right here with over 10,000 likes, but I don't have enough minutes to get the monetization. The same thing with this one. This one has over 100,000 likes, but it still doesn't have the video monetization activated. I do have about 4 or 5 different other pages that do have the video monetization activated. But I want to show you just one. I'm going to show you how it works. Hopefully you can learn some information from this video. If you want to get access to all this information, you can go to your Facebook page, and on the publishing tools section, now you're going to have a new tool called Creator Studio. And it's going to take you to the main page where you can see all your stats for multiple pages at the same time. It'll tell you how many people are engaging with your page, and you'll be able to also see the monetization features. On the Creator Studio section, there's a new monetization link where you click on it. It allows you to go to the ad breaks section. This is where you'll be able to see all the videos that you have monetized right now. In my case, what happened is we couldn't actually monetize the videos that we have uploaded in the past, but we're now able to upload and monetize all the new videos that are being uploaded to our Facebook page. As you can see, some of them actually got approved, some of them didn't get approved, and some of them are still in review. So now when you see the videos, when you upload videos on Facebook, if you qualify for ad breaks and you go through the whole process, Facebook will actually insert automatic ads as long as your videos are 3 minutes long. If you click on any of the videos that you have with the green money icon, for example, it'll tell you exactly how much money you have made on that video. As you can see, we have about $10.92 on this video. If we click on it, It'll tell you exactly how many impressions we have on that video, the ad CPM, which is the estimated revenue for 1,000 views on that video. We have made so far $10.92. What I found is that not every single video qualifies for ad breaks. They have a lot of different rules and things that you need to keep in mind. So I'm going to link to it down below. I'm going to link to it in the description so you can go through the whole thing. Then you need to follow these guidelines very carefully because you might lose, if you break anything in this content guidelines, you might lose access to monetization. So I do hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Also, check out some of my other videos if you want to learn how to grow a Facebook page. If you want to learn how to use Facebook ads to grow a Facebook page, I have a bunch of videos that can help you do that. With that said, guys, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.